If you're making major changes on your website, you might want to put it in maintenance mode. Maintenance mode puts up a temporary homepage to inform visitors and search engines that the full website is going to be down for a short period of time. If your website is built with Elementor Pro, there's a very easy way to do this, and I will show you how in this video. Let's get started. Okay, here we are on your WordPress dashboard, and the first thing we are going to do is make a template for maintenance mode. This is going to be how we're going to style how the page is going to look. So we're going to go to Templates under Elementor, and then click Save Templates. And then we're going to click the Add New button up top. And for type of template, we are going to put Page. And then to name the template, we are going to put Maintenance Mode. And then click Create Template. And now it's time to build the page. The first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that there's going to be no header and no footer, because if the site is down, we obviously don't want people to be able to navigate it. So click the gear icon on the lower left-hand corner, and then under Page Layout, choose Elementor Canvas. So now we're starting out at a completely blank page, and I'm going to go ahead and add a new section. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put the height as fit to screen. And the first thing you want to do here is you probably want to put a heading, and you can have this say coming soon or be right back. And then you probably want to add in a paragraph that is telling them what's going on. And then in this paragraph, you could also be like, follow us on social media. So that way you're not losing a potential customer. You're giving them another option to connect with you. So you can add in your social icons, and you can even, if you have an email list, you can add in the code for the form to have them sign up for your email list and tell them, if you sign up for our email list, we will let you know when the site is live again. And of course, you can design this just as much as you can design any Elementor page. I'm just going to keep it short and simple for this tutorial. When you're done, click Publish, and then exit out of this and get back to the dashboard. Now we want to actually turn on maintenance mode and set that template. So go to Elementor and Tools, and then click Maintenance Mode. And from here, you can choose the mode. So you can set it to maintenance mode, meaning the site is offline temporarily for maintenance, or is coming soon, which means the site is offline until it's ready to be launched. Depending on which one you choose from the drop down here, it will inform the search engines what's going on. For example, when you put it on maintenance mode, it will give the search engines a 503 code, which lets them know to come back later and that the site won't be down for more than a couple of days. Then you can choose who can access the site under maintenance mode. So you can just leave this as default of everyone that's logged in, or you can click it to custom and then choose specific roles that can only access the site under maintenance mode. And then down here, you're going to want to choose the template that you just made and then click Save Changes. And now you see we have this new red alert here that says maintenance mode on. When you hover over that, it gives you a nice convenient link to edit the template. Of course, if you ever wanted to edit the template, you could do it also under Templates, Save Templates. So let's go ahead and open up an incognito window and see how this site looks on it when we are signed out. And that's it. We've got the maintenance page up, so it is working. Then when you want to turn it off, you just head back here and then switch it to disabled and then click Save Changes again. And then when we head back to the incognito window and click refresh, then the regular website is back up again. And there you go. Now you know how to put your WordPress website into maintenance mode using the Elementor Pro plugin. If I was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you're building your own website, make sure to check the description to get your free download of the 9-step roadmap to DIY your first website. It'll guide you with everything you need to know to make and launch your website from start to finish. Thanks so much for watching.